job. Been waiting on you. You got it. That's fine. Orders received. I'm on it. Got it.
Sir, it turns out there are a few Confederate vehicles in the hills the Dominion haven't salvaged yet.
Diamondbacks? Man, I didn't think they made it past prototyping. Their railguns will be great for stopping those trains. No pun intended. I'll upload their schematics to our factory network.
There may be other vehicles around that we can commandeer. We should keep our eyes open.
SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
By the number.
Not enough minerals.
Huh?
At the ready.
SCV ready.
Of course. My pleasure. Victory is ours. My pleasure.
SCV ready.
How devious. Of course. Excellent. I like it.
SCV ready.
On the move. Victory is ours. Excellent. Of course. I like it. What's the plan? I'm waiting.
Bandit. Go ahead. We here. SCV ready.
How devious.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
SCV ready.
Victory is ours.
SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
Yes, sir. Yeah. SCV ready.
The doctor is in.
How devious. My pleasure. Of course. I like it.
Additional supply depots required.
The doctor
Additional
is in.
At the ready.
This better be good. Go! Of course.
mineral field depleted.
Armed and ready. Huh? Sure thing.
Excellent work, sir. We can utilize the train's scrap payload to build more units. We obviously won't find many natural mineral fields here, so we should make the most of what we can salvage from the trains.
Yeah.
What's the plan? On the move. How devious. My pleasure. Of course. I'm waiting. Go on. I like it. Victory is ours.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Check it out, Jimmy. Dominion started sending escorts to protect the trains.
Excellent. My pleasure.
Armed and ready.
Of course.
SCV ready. Gangway, coming through. You gonna get me?
Standing by.
What's going on? You want SCV ready?
Excellent. On the move. How devious.
SCV ready. Go.
What needs killing? I like it. Victory is ours. My pleasure. At the ready.
By the number.
Mineral field depleted.
Get me out of here. What's the plan? Excellent. What's on your mind? On the move. Go on. What needs killing?
Commander, I'm picking up increased comm traffic from the Dominion. Sounds like they're planning to attack our base. We better be ready. Sir, one of the trains got through. We can't let too many get past us or we'll miss the cargo we're looking for.
SCV ready.
What? At the ready. Of course. Go on.
SCV ready.
What needs killing?
This better be good.
A train is exiting the southern tunnel.
By the numbers. Let's have a blast.
In the rear with the gear. Yo. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Who wants some?
What's on your mind?
I'm on it. Can't wait. Oh yeah. Roger that.
What needs killing?
That's fine. Keep your shirt on.
What's going on?
Victory is ours. How devious. My pleasure.
Mineral field depleted.
I like it. What needs killing? Excellent. On the move. What's on your mind? What's the plan?
Mineral field depleted.
Bad news. SCV ready. Yeah. SCV ready.
What needs killing?
Go!
How devious. Victory is ours.
Mineral field depleted. A train is coming through the western tunnel.
I like it. Victory is ours. My pleasure. Excellent. On the move. What needs killing?
Mineral field depleted.
My pleasure. Of course. On the move. I like it. How devious. Excellent. I'm waiting.
Looks like we found all the Confederate Diamondbacks, sir. This should really help out against the trains.
Field depleted. Vespine geyser exhausted.
What needs killing? Excellent. On the move. Victory is ours. I like it. Of course. How devious. I like it. Victory is ours.
The Dominion are constructing a series of bunkers to protect the tracks. Be careful.
What needs killing?
You're the boss. Yeah.
Mineral field depleted.
By the number.
Base is under attack.
At the ready. My pleasure. Victory is ours. How devious.
What's going on?
The doctor is in.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
Good job. Ah, bad news. Go ahead.
What's on your mind?
The doctor is in.
You gonna give me orders?
Is it critical?
At the ready. On the move. Of course. How devious. What needs killing? My pleasure. Excellent. I like it. On the move. Of course. Victory is ours. How devious. Victory is ours. My pleasure. What needs killing?
Upgrade complete.
The doctor is in.
I like it. On the move.
Bad news?
Go on.
In the rear with the gear.
The doctor is in. Where does it hurt? I'll take care of it.
Go ahead.
At the ready.
You rang?
Of course.
Armed and ready.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
What's the plan? Victory is ours. How devious. Of course. What needs
Gangway, coming through.
My pleasure. I like it. Victory is ours. On the move.
Huh? You gonna give me orders? Can't want some.
Get me out of here.
Been waiting on you.
What? How devious. My pleasure. Of course. I like it. What needs killing?
In the rear with the gear.
At the ready.
What's going on?
Upgrade complete.
Sir, I'm detecting Dominion kill teams patrolling the tracks with large groups of marauders.
Victory is up.
I'll mark their location with a red warning symbol. Still, you should try to avoid them.
What needs killing? Excellent. How devious. On the move. Victory is ours.
Bad news? Huh? Ah! You scared me! I'm going!
Base is under attack.
What's the plan? Of course. My pleasure. I like it. What needs killing? Excellent. At the ready.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
The Dominion are boosting their train speed somehow. You'll need to use Diamondbacks to catch them.
You gonna give me orders?
Mineral field depleted.
By the numbers, boys.
Go ahead.
Big job. Get away.
Mineral field depleted.
Yeah, who wants some?
What's the plan?
Go! You gonna give me orders? This better be good.
We'll butter my biscuit. What's going on?
Mineral field depleted.
Bandit.
Armed and ready.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
On the move. I like it.
Mineral field depleted.
Excellent. On the move when he's killing. My pleasure.
Armed and ready. Who wants some? Been waiting on you.
At the ready.
Mineral field Vespine geyser exhausted.
You want a piece of me, boy?
What's going on? Roger.
What needs killing?
The doctor is in.
I can't build here. Ah! You scared me! Will do. Big job, huh?
I'm waiting.
Standing by. The doctor is in.
What's on your mind?
Gangway, coming through.
What needs killing?
This better be good. You gonna give me orders?
Go on. My pleasure. Of course.
Who wants some?
How devious. Excellent.
A train is exiting the southern tunnel.
Looks like the Dominion ran out of whatever they were juicing the trains with. They're putting out bigger escorts, though. We better watch ourselves.
Victory is ours. Of course. How devious. What's the plan? At the ready. Victory is ours.
Sir, we're detecting electrical activity in the wreckage.